Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. This time we're going to be checking out the review of the TL-S12s from Thermalright. Okay then, so this is the Thermalright ARGB fans. This is at 50% fan speed. Virtually silent. Now we'll do 100%. This is 100% fan speed. Yeah, it's audible, you can hear it, but it's not as loud as their previous ARGB fans, and to be fair, I think I would actually cope with these in my system. Okay, so when it comes to the overall thermal testing, it's my normal set of benchmarks, Cinebench R23, Blender Classroom, Blender BMW, and 3D Mark CPU test. Now remember that the max temps aren't representative for gameplay because games don't utilize the CPU like Cinebench or Blender does, pegging the CPU at 100%. So make sure you bear that in mind. So now, for the in-win MR36 Neptune fans that are included with the AIO, the Cinebench R23 thermals, the idles were 34 Celsius with a max of 81. Blender Classroom, the idles were 34 with a max of 79. Blender BMW, the idles were 34 Celsius with a max of 78 Celsius. 3D Mark CPU test, the idles were 35 with a max of 70 Celsius. Okay, so now for the TL-S12s, the Cinebench R23 idles were 30 Celsius, the max was a 77 Celsius. Blender Classroom, the idles were 30 Celsius with a max of 76. Blender BMW, the idles were 30 Celsius with a max of 76 again. And 3D Mark CPU test, the idles were 30 Celsius with a max of 67 Celsius. CPU tested is a 5900X with PBO enabled. Okay, so you had a nice test. You've seen the thermals. You've also seen a bit of the B-roll, as well as you've seen the overall effects when it comes to different RGB configurations. Now, I keep getting asked what software I use. I use MSI Center. The reason why is because I have an MSI motherboard. My editing rig is MSI, so I use MSI Center. I don't have a problem with it, and I don't have any issues with it. So if that's up to you, but you can download Signal RGB, but you got to be careful because not all the lighting effects with Signal RGB will work with certain fans. So that's up to you guys, but you keep asking, so I'm going to eventually tell you. So that is how I control the RGB. Now, for less than £5 a fan, currently they're less than 15 quid, which are very good. I mean, that's a very good pricing compared to much more of the competitors on the market with ARGB fans. These are very competitive and quite cheap, but the build quality is okay, the bearing type is fine, and they're silent. I mean, silent. Now, I have had a lot of Thermalright products through my channel, and these are the quietest fans I've heard of them. They are almost whisper quiet. You can hear them a tiny bit, but that's it. They would not annoy me at full 100% fan speed. yeah, if you went down lower, you wouldn't hear them at all. For the price, these are an absolute bargain, and Thermalright didn't send these to me. I bought these myself because Thermalright doesn't send things internationally anymore, so I gotta wait for them to hit the EU and the UK market before I can get a sample sent out to me. So, you know, I bought these because I was more curious, because these were the latest ones. Well, the latest ones I could get in the UK anyway, and I was more curious because of the overall style of them, because they are the newest style. Now, should you buy them? Well, the performance is certainly there. The noise, they are almost virtually silent, and of course they've got 4-pin PWM and the ARGB. The bearing type is good, and the overall fan quality is nice, and as well as the RGB looks absolutely gorgeous. And I think for less than a £5 a fan, they're absolute bargain. Link for these will be definitely in the description. If you buy using my link, it gives me a kickback, and also it helps me out because I do put work into reviewing their products. And when I give you guys my personal opinion, then of course I'd like, you know, if you guys want to buy them, then of course use my link. That's up to you. If you're not in the UK, of course, use your own, that's fine. But for less than £15, they're an absolute bargain. And that's pretty much it, guys. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope that you guys are going to have at least have a check of them. The link for these will be in the description. Just click on me. I'm going to buy them. Just go have a look, see what you think, and if there's something you want, then why not buy more than one 3-pack? So yeah, look, have a fantastic Christmas. I will definitely see you the day before Christmas Eve, because I've still got another video to do. And of course, when it comes to the new year, I'm still going to be making videos, guys. So just make sure you can continue to sub to the channel, and make sure that you hit that like and comment down below. And as always, this is Rich from WELSHYTECH. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.